Now comes the very interesting section where we are comparing here Power BI versus Tableau. So, whenever we are talking about any business intelligence tool in the market, these are the two tools which always, compete with each other. So here are some factors which we can consider which one is the best and how you can in future, if you're planning to invest your money in any of the tool, how you can achieve the same. So year of establishment, Power BI is first published in 2013, but the Power BI version, the first version of Power BI was Excel. So if you are an Excel user, for you it would be very easy to understand Power BI. For Tableau, it is launched 2003. The cost is the very major factor when we are comparing two different tools. So Power BI, by keeping all its features, all its attributes, all its components, if you look at what Power BI offers with this much of cost, then it is really really cost effective. On other hand, the prices are high, so you can consider, if your organization is ready to invest into a very costly tool, then you can consider Tableau. Otherwise, Power BI is the best tool. Application wise, so it is dashboard specific and Tableau is ad hoc analysis. For the users who can use Power BI, technical and non-technical people, which we already discussed, but for in order to work in Tableau, you have to have BI analyst. So yeah, support level in Power BI is improving day by day, but if we compare with the Tableau, then it is a little bit low. But yeah, Microsoft is working on its support level as well. So in order to scalability large data sets, Power BI is very good, but Tableau is, again, it provides good services scalability wise. Licensing is very flexible in Power BI. So like we already discussed about is licensing the free version, the pro and the subs and the premium one. Similarly for Tableau, it is again the same flexible features you will get. If we look at overall functionality, then Power BI is very 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 by considering the cost effectiveness, it is a good tool altogether. But Tableau is very good if you look at other attributes. Infrastructure wise, it provides software as a service, and Tableau is a flexible. Here were some points describes all its features and the comparison between these two competitors, Power BI, Tableau. So next time when you are going to invest your money, you can consider these points.
So I hope you found this video to be very helpful, and please do let me know if you have any query regarding this particular video. I'll definitely try to respond you, and please do like, share and subscribe this channel. All the information related to this particular video I have linked into the description box. Please do check out, and have a nice day, and thank you so much.